What is up YouTube? Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now for today's video, I got a whole bunch of content laid out for you guys. So starting out, we're gonna head into my garage and check out the finished product of the front splitter project we started last Tuesday on the Civic. And then after that, if you guys remember, Gideon's birthday was not too long ago. We got him a special gift for his birthday and I filmed his reaction. And he was so stoked on his gift that after I gave it to him, we headed up to his house and started working on his RX-7, doing a little bit more work on the engine bay. So I made sure to film all of that. And then to wrap up today's video, I have a really cool unboxing for you guys. Now this is a part that I've kind of wanted for a while. This is a pretty important unboxing because it means a big change for the Civic, so cannot wait to show you guys this. So yeah, stick around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, so here is the finished product and I am super happy with it. So as you can see, I decided to go with black. It's still a little bit shiny because the paint is not 100% cured yet. I decided to go with an oil-based enamel, so it should be very weatherproof, but takes a while to dry. That is one of the drawbacks. And as you can see, I've got the splitter in the bumper sealed up. I did that using this stuff right here. This is called Easy Lip. I bought it on Amazon. And like the name suggests, super easy to apply. So it's like a low density, I don't know if it's foam or rubber. It feels like a low density rubber with an adhesive backing on it. So it contours to the edges very nicely and sticks to the bumper very well. So I'm pretty confident that that should help seal all the air out, helping our splitter be as functional as possible. Here is what it looks like from the side. And then you can see where we got it mounted up in there. Now, I did, like I was saying in the last video, I did make the cutout for my downpipe, but I mounted my wheel up and I did not have to make any cuts to clearance the tire. So that's good. We got more of a flat surface under the front bumper of the car, which should help with the functionality of the splitter as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm super happy with that. And to me, the best part about this whole project is we got it all done for under 150 bucks. And we still have some plywood in the corner there just in case we want to make another splitter. If you go ahead and look online, you can see that the splitters themselves are going for over 200 bucks at most sites, and that's not even including the brackets. So we made out pretty good. So very happy with this and highly recommend if you're looking to make a splitter on the cheap, just follow the tutorial I made last Tuesday and you could end up with something like this. Alright, so this next heartwarming footage I'm about to show you is from when we surprised Gideon with his birthday present right here in this house. And basically how this all went down was a couple weeks ago when me and my buddy Matt were over at Gideon's house. We were working in his garage and we were replacing the leaking heater core in Matt's Jeep. And during the whole ordeal, I had Matt distract Gideon while I stole the RX7 FC subframe out from underneath Gideon's car and loaded it in the back of my CRV without anybody noticing. And then I took it back home and called up my buddy Charlie Moore, who is a professional powder coater. He does Honda valve covers all the time, so I'll go ahead and leave his information down in the description. But basically, I called him up and asked him if he would be able to do this subframe for me. Gideon already had it sandblasted since it was kind of part of the process. And he said, yeah, and we came up with this really cool metallic red it's like a candy metallic red color, and oh my goodness, it turned out awesome. So Gideon had no idea we took it, and he was super shocked when we surprised him with it. So here's that footage. Happy birthday!
Hey, thank you. Thank you. What's that day? What's that day?
You know what this is?
A blanket? What?
You know what's under the blanket?
No.
Oh.
Can I find out what's under the blanket?
You about to find out what's under the blanket.
Can I take it off?
Go for
What
it.
is it?
It's a
Are you
birthday
gonna be
present.
careful? Is he gonna be a lot?
No.
Is Jake gonna jump out and get me?
There might be some recyclables in there.
Oh! Ah! No way!
Yes, sir.
No way! Dude, when did you grab this? What?
I stole it from you.
What color is this?
So it's alien metallic with a lollipop candy red coating on it. So it looks really deep.
Dude. No way.
I know, me and Charlie were both freaking out about it too.
Oh my gosh. Dude, now I have to get the rest of that engine done. Oh my god. Oh my lord.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. did not see this one coming.
That's good.
I thought I was getting Coca-Cola or something.
No.
Wow.
Yeah, I was pretty stoked on it too.
Dude, I smunched it up. This LS better not leak, break.
I think his stuff is like
Oh my
oil resistant, fuel
Lord.
resistant, chip resistant, so it should last forever.
I cannot get over, dude. I think the car is gonna need to be painted this.
The translucent red gives it the appearance that there's like 10 coats of clear coat on it, but
Seriously,
it's just super deep.
that is this. Yeah, we can get this out of the way. Oh my Lord, bro, I can't even.
Well, there you go. Happy birthday!
Holy smoke.
Now, after Gideon had received the subframe, he was super stoked and ready to get back working on the RX-7. So we headed up to his garage and kept working on stripping down that engine bay, getting it ready for paint, and getting it ready to install that new subframe, and eventually the LS motor swap. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little progress montage there. I know both me and Gideon had a really good time getting all those old parts out of the engine bay, and it is very rewarding to look at a fresh engine bay that is full of potential. So we're going to be including more RX-7 content on Tuesday uploads. Crafting Cars is now going to be strictly Tuesday uploads, so make sure you got your notifications on and stay tuned for that. So yeah, now I guess that brings us to our next topic, seeing what's in this box. Alright guys, who doesn't love a good unboxing video? So this product is from PLM, or Private Label Manufacturing, and I've ordered and installed products from them before. One of them being the Honda roll pin adapter for my shift linkage, and then the other one is the PLM traction bar, and both those products I love, so very excited for this one. Some of you guys could probably guess what it is, maybe not, but I'm really excited to open it up for you guys. Alright, so it comes with gaskets and hardware. Probably already know what it is. And there you have it. So this is a new turbo manifold. This is a top mount manifold as opposed to the one I have on my car. So right now I have a bottom mount manifold, and I love it on the car. It looks super clean and super high quality, but the problem with my bottom mount turbo manifold I have in the car right now is it requires me to run an oil scavenge pump. Now with those oil scavenge pumps, I've been having issues with not only leaks, but since my oil scavenge pump is mounted so close to my turbo and my engine bay, I'm actually frying the rubber diaphragm inside those scavenge pumps, and I've gone through like 3 already trying to diagnose issues and stuff, so this is awesome. So this is from PLM, like I mentioned earlier, and man, they do a good job welding this thing up. Looks like in all the ports and everything, they got it all smoothed out, and as you can tell, the surface here Looks like it's got a nice machine finish there, so I get no exhaust leaks or anything like that. So actually one thing, I'm currently working on a partnership with PLM. I really like their products, and so I've sent them a couple emails. We've been kind of talking back and forth. They're kind of hard to get a hold of right now since they're really busy, but yeah, this is a potential partnership we got going on here. So look forward to giving you guys updates on this, and I'm looking forward to hearing back from the company. It's been a little bit, but we've all been busy. So although the finish on here looks really nice and all the welds look spot on, I am going to be basically covering it all up. I'm going to get this thing ceramic coated by the same guy who powder coated Gideon's subframe. So ceramic coated is really good for these headers because it keeps them looking really nice, keeps the heat in the exhaust and keeps the heat out of your engine bay. So not only will it look better, it'll perform better and last a lot longer, and it's oil and chip resistant. So a ceramic coating is really good stuff. And since I am changing my manifold, basically changing to a top mount manifold for my turbo, that means I will be changing my downpipe setup as well. And so I have a downpipe ordered through PLM, but it's gonna take a while to get here. I think it's currently on back order, but I'll be getting my downpipe ceramic coated as well. So I think I'm just probably gonna end up going with black for the manifold and the downpipe, and then maybe I'll end up getting my turbo housing ceramic coated as well. So. I can't stop looking at this. This is gonna be awesome in the engine bay. It's really like Christmas all over again, or Honda Days if you celebrate Happy Honda Days. So yeah, very stoked on that. And I guess that wraps it up for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like I said, we're gonna be posting every single Tuesday now. And yeah, leave a comment with some feedback. I know we covered a lot of stuff today, so yeah, can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.